Okay class, we're going to learn math. What is 9 times 12? Yes, Caillou.
Can I use the restroom?
Incorrect. And yes, but be back in 4 minutes.
I'm not going to use the restroom, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. This is going to be funny. Ha 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 ha.
And that's how 9 times 12 equals.
Oh no, it's a fire, I'm scared.
Don't worry. We're leaving out the exit. Caillou, are you okay?
Yes. I'm scared. Wah! You're a scary cat.
Don't worry, it's a false alarm. And Caillou, come to my office.
Did I win Student of the Year?
No! Caillou, did you? Forget it. All cameras caught you pulling the fire alarm.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Don't play innocent. You know what, you are suspended for 2 years.
I know. Oh, Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're grounded for 455 years. Go to your room now.
I couldn't have said it better myself.